my brother. So my brother Corbin is at summer camp, and my other brother Crew, he is out of town working.
So we thought this was the perfect opportunity for us to use our mother-daughter makeover skills.
Yes. So let's check out their man cave. I think we have some work cut out for us, guys.
Anybody wants to know, this is what a tie hanger looks like.
Yeah.
Ava, I think you have a potential job at being a professional organizer. You're like very on point.
Yes. So if your room needs organizing, you know who to call.
1-800-AVA organizes.
Yeah.
I think that's too many letters, but that's okay.
Ava organizes.
So we got this indoor hammock hanging like set off of Amazon. We'll put the link in the description below. And now it's just a matter of, can we read the instructions? Well, we can read them.
Yeah. Hopefully they're not in
Can
Spanish.
we follow them?
Good thing they're not in Spanish.
Okay, you are, does it feel strong?
Yep.
Okay, you're the first tester of the indoor hammock, okay? Here she goes.
Oh, this is like the hanging chair all over again. Go
Yeah.
watch that video if you haven't seen it already. Oh yeah!
Woo!
This is the life.
That is the life. Okay, next item for business for the room makeover is lights under their bed.
Yay!
Okay, show them the lights we got.
Woo! This looks very complicated.
It does. It looks like futuristic. Look at all those colors.
Whoa, that's a lot of colors.
So these are LED strip lights.
Yep.
They have adhesive on them. Show them the sticky on the back. It's like a sticker on the back of them. We're going to put them on the bottom rail underneath the beds.
Uh-huh. It's gonna look so cool.
We got these off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. Oh, check it out, guys.
Whoa! That's really cool.
We plugged them in just to make sure they were gonna work before we installed them onto the bed.
This is so cool.
Yeah, try a different color for us.
Wait, what?
They're doing fading right now. It's on a fade like to different colors mode right now.
Wait, but it's like fade. There are different fades.
Yeah, and there's, you can also make them flash, like
Flash.
blink. Yeah.
Flash.
Is it working?
Flash. I am just sticking the LED lights underneath the bed. It has like this sticky stuff on the bottom. I just have to peel the bottom of it off so it sticks.
So we already did this side. We'll give you a little sneak peek.
So cool.
Check it out. It's pretty cool.
You'll get the full effect when we turn off the lights. Alright, so we decided to move their beds over this way so that we could hang up their basketball hoop right there. Let me show you the basketball hoop. So we're gonna hang it up like right here so that they can throw in their like dirty socks and then make it into their laundry bins.
Oh, so smart.
Boom!
And we got this basketball hoop at the thrift store. So, yeah.
Yeah!
Score.
Woo!
Get it? Score.
Oh.
Basketball hoop.
brothers like to play lacrosse, we decided to hang lacrosse sticks up.
On the wall.
Yes, on the wall. So, right there, okie dokie. Yay!
Nice.
It
And
looks so good.
it does, and it's kind of like a centerpiece for the the dip of the hammock. It's like a cool little piece of art on the wall there.
Now let's put the headboards on the beds. Woo! Okay, it looks like I'm doing a thumbs down, but I swear I'm doing a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Woo!
Okay, up next we have the headboards.
Yeah.
I actually made these out of some old wood we had, some like reclaimed wood that we got. So those are our DIY. So we're gonna put these behind the bed.
Okay, so to hang up my brother's painting, I just cut a little ribbon and then made it into a little loop and then put hot glue over it.
Okay guys, we got these cool rock climbing holds here that we're going to put right above the closet door because the boys like rock climbing and they can work on their pull-ups and stuff in their room. Oh, and look, a cookie. Okay, here we are at the closet. Right above it, I'm gonna use this stud finder. Just kind of go across. That's where the stud starts. And that's where it ends. So I'm gonna mark that area right there. So I'm going to put an X right there. So this is where the stud is, right here in the wall. So we're gonna drill right in the middle of that to put our climbing hold. Okay, we need a little siesta for a second. Here you go.
Thank you.
Flamingo drink. She's gonna pretend like she's on the beach, gazing out into the ocean. So we have this awesome pillow that we're gonna put in the hammock. That is,
hello, my friend.
The artwork on that's from Jeremy Collins. You should look for him on Instagram.
Good job, Jeremy.
Yeah, he's a great artist. We've got a couple of his things. Fun stuff. Okay, put it behind your head. Let's see how comfortable you can be in the hammock. Honestly, I think the boys are going to sleep more in the hammock than in their own beds.
Yeah.
Because when we go camping, they're like, I want to sleep in the hammock.
No, I want to sleep in the hammock.
So yeah. How's the pillow?
Oh, delightful.
Delightful? If you had a blankie, you'd be asleep right now. We got this ginormous lacrosse banner.
Yes.
On clearance from Pottery Barn.
Yeah.
And as soon as I saw it, I was like, the boys would love that.
Yeah.
Here you go. So we're gonna hang it up right now. Oh yeah. So we also have this really awesome longboard that the boys have, and we're just going to hang it onto this hook right here. We just hung it on with a old shoelace. Guys, it's starting to get dark.
Yeah.
We've been doing this all day.
Literally all day.
Okay, Abe, tell us what we're doing right now.
So right now, I'm going to paint on a little chalkboard for them. I already lined a box with painter's tape, and I got some chalkboard paint right here, and I'm just gonna paint on the door. So it's actually getting really dark outside, so I'm going to close the blinds and turn off the lights and see what the lights underneath their bed look like. Whoa! That is so cool!
That is cool. Oh my goodness, you guys. The boys are gonna love this.
What? No way! It glows! That's sweet! And there's the rock climbing stuff. That's actually really, really cool. No way! That's so cool. Oh my gosh! Hi! I just realized that. That's so cool. I can.
Yeah, go sit in it.
Success! Yay!
Thank you guys for joining me on my brother's room makeover. I think he liked his room.
I love it. It's awesome.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below which was your favorite part of the room. See you guys next time. Ava out. It's my turn, Courtney.
No, no.